If your checkout page has too many steps, then your customers will get frustrated and leave. And if it looks outdated or untrustworthy, then people will abandon their cart out of fear. And if it's not optimized for mobile, then you're losing over half of your potential sales, you see. And if you ask for unnecessary information, then you're literally creating your own roadblocks. But if you can build a checkout page that's simple, fast, and secure, then you can dramatically increase your conversion rate. Then you'll build trust with every customer, and then you make more money effortlessly. And you see, in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to build that if. So you see here on the screen, we are about to make our own checkout page. And I'm also going to show you the tools that I use because it is totally free. And no credit card is required ever at all. No catch, it's just free, but it's for now, so you have to act quickly. As of the date of this recording, it is free. I don't know how much time it will be free out in the future, so you have to act quickly. But let's go to the site here, to the platform. And you can see this is groove.cm, and I'll leave a link in the description so that you can check that out. This is the main dashboard where we can do all the things, and we can make our checkout page and other cool stuff. We can make funnels. We can also make our own. We can sell our own products with Groove Sale, and then we have Groove Mail where we can set up our own email automation, and Groove Member so we can make our own online courses and memberships. And we have Groove Video and Groove Blog and Groove Card and Groove Webinar. You know, this tool is a one-in-all solution when it comes to making your your entire business and when you need when you're in the need for the right tools. But anyways, let's go over here and go to Groove Pages. So now you can see I have some sites here, but we need to make a checkout page. So we will click here on New Site, and then we'll click on Single Pages, and then we'll go down here. Let's see if it is. Yeah, it is right here. Then there's you can see the campaign types. Then we have down here the checkouts. We can click on that. And then we have some different templates that we can use, and they are all very, very professionally made, you know. And the one that I want to use is this one. So we will take this template here and import the full template, and then we'll call it checkout and start building. So it'll just take a second. Yeah, so this is what we got when we first start off with this checkout page, and right out of the box you can see it's very, very cool looking, and there's no confusion about what it's all about. But we want to change some colors here on the side, and we also we can make our changes here with the paragraphs and so. But let's first start with this one here, almost complete, 90%, this bar here. And we want to make this green, so we will click on this one here. And then we also have to go up here. I want to delete this one here because it's a checkout page, and I don't want people to leave the page right now. I just want them to check out. So I'll delete this one here. And if you want, then you can also change the logo of your checkout page here. So you can just click here on config, and then you can choose your we can take this image here just to take an example, and then it's on, yeah, and we can put in the image, all attributes. And we can link, if we click on the logo, then we can also choose an option here. So we'll link, for example, to a URL or a page. But right now I don't want to link it. I just want to update. So it doesn't look that cool. But yeah, 1 second, we'll just skip it. We'll just take this one here. It looks more professional. But you can, of course, make your own but your own logo. And then we can change the colors here on this as well. So we'll change that to blue. we'll see, let's take this one here. No, we don't want that, we want this one here. And the same goes for this one here also, and it is very, very quickly to edit everything. So let's see there, and we'll just leave this one here. We'll leave that as it is, because it makes some kind of difference to the things that are above right here. And then we can also change the price. For example, if we don't want it to be $4.99, then we can just say 99. Let's make this, let's see here. No, we'll just leave it, it'll just be black right here. And then we can go up here and, for example, change something here. We can say, what you get today for $99, you get 1 second, you get, let's say, affiliate secrets, let's say 10 affiliate secrets, you can't get these anywhere else. And then, you know, we can just, now I've just written one here, and we can of course do it with all of these here. And if you don't want some of them, you can just click on it. You can, for example, click on this one here, and then we can delete that and confirm, and we can click here on that also and delete that. So we can choose how many we want. So yeah, but then the customers, they can put in their name and their last name and their email, and right now it's just $1 for, as an example, and this is a test price point, as it says, so it's a one-time payment of $1, and then they can continue to billing. And let's see here, we want to make this also, this one we also make that, let's see here, background. Why can't we do that? That's weird. I want to change the color up here. That's somehow I can't change it. Maybe I can do it like this. Yeah, I can do it like that. So now this color matches these colors right here, and we can also change the headline to, let's say, affiliate secrets. So, and we can of course also change the color of it if we want. I'll just keep it as it is right now, and then you can put in a sub headline for right here. You can also change the image, of course. You can just go to config and then choose your image. Then we can say we'll check this one here, affiliate marketing, and then we can put in the alt text like I just said, and we can do it with the link as well. So right now it's a bit big right now, but we can do it. And then we can let's see here. Yeah, we can also change we can delete the testimonials if we want. We can also just leave it as it is. So we can. Let's see here, we can say, let's take something, let's say, 1 second. The course by marketing never sleeps is unbelievable. I don't know, let's say, I don't regret taking this course. I highly recommend this for every affiliate marketer. So, and of course, this is just a dummy testimonial, and of course you also have to, you can't just write it as I just did right now. You have to actually have a customer that has said what you just read right here, because everything else would be will just be some kind of scam if you just write something in. But this is just for an example. Then you can change the name of the guy who made the testimonials and stuff. Right now we can also take this one and make that blue as well, if we can do that. One second. Here, I'll click here. So now the bottom and the top is blue, and we have this green progress bar. It's almost 100% complete, but this is just it is great to have this kind of progress bar, because then people can see how far they are. It's a good it's a good thing, because people they feel comfortable when they see this bar. Let's see here. We have this as well. Also, we have the logo here. We can make this text here. We can make, first of all, we want to delete this buildable group, so we don't want that. And then we can say, what was it? So we will make the text white. So it's a little bit easier to see, and we'll delete this one because again we don't want them to write an email to us. We just want them to take an action and buy from us. So we'll delete that, and just click here again and delete that. Confirm. So now we just have this your company, and then we can just change that. So of course, let's see, marketing. Marketing never sleeps 2025. So now we got a very good looking website here. Of course, this image here has to be a little bit smaller. We can do that if we just click here, and then we can just make it a little bit smaller so it matches. So I think this is good. Maybe a little bit smaller. So now we have a good looking website about affiliate secrets, and we are charging $99, and it's a secure website, a secure checkout page, and the quality is guaranteed, and we have all the bullet points, what they get. And this is then we have this formula, right? Not formula, but form, where they can put in their name and the email, and then at the very end they can continue to billing, and then they buy the course. So that is actually what we can do with this, and it is very this tool is very cool, because I really love this. But let's see here, this is the sales page, or I don't know if it's a sales page because it's actually free. So but anyway, they're selling a free product right now. You can see that no credit card, like I said, is required, and it's never gonna be required. There's no catch, it's just free. And then we can go down here and see some of the stuff we got. You have group pages. That is the one that I just just showed you with this checkout page here. And you can make that in minutes. You can make you saw how fast it went when I made this checkout page here. So yeah, and then we have group funnels where you can make pro funnels, as it says here. Create high converting sales funnels with upsells, downsells, and one-click automation. Boost profit effortlessly with a complete no-code toolkit. And it is very easy to use this this group funnels product here, because it's just so intuitive. And when you compare this tool to, for example, ClickFunnels, Then this one is free as of right now. And if you take ClickFunnels, then the big package is $297 for the big package. So you pay nothing for this one here, and you pay almost $300 for ClickFunnels. So yeah. And you also got Groove Sell, where you can skyrocket your sales with 0 fees. You can sell unlimited products with no transaction cost, add upsells, downsells, and order bumps. And yeah, it's really cool. We got Groove Mail, where we can set up our own email marketing and start sending emails with smart automation. And we can segment leads and trigger campaigns and turn prospects into raving fans effortlessly. I really like this one. It is really cool. And we got Groove Affiliate, where you can make your own affiliate program so that you can actually have your own product, and you can say that I want to make an online course about something, and then you can get other people to sell from you, so they are affiliates of your online course, and then they get a commission when they sell something. So if they sell a course, then they get a commission. And this is all the tools that the Groove replaces. Groove CM, it replaces Kartra, ClickFunnels, Go High Level, and you can see Kartra, Wix, Squarespace, WordPress. Groove Funnels is replacing ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, and Go High Level, and it just continue. It is very, very cool, and you get it all for free. I know that I repeat myself, but I have to repeat myself because it's free for life, and you save over $14,000 compared to other platforms. So yeah, it is a no-brainer. I really like this tool, and I've been using it for a while now. Yeah, it's that's how you can get this for $0. So please act quickly. Like I said, there's a link in the description where you can get where you can click through and check out this Groove.cm and see if it's for you. And if it's not for you, then it's not for you. You haven't lost any money if it's not for you. So check it out, and I really appreciate you for watching this video here. So I thank you, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video from me.